So today I finally get to unbox these fragrances, and I'm so excited because I've been stopping myself from tearing into them. I had to wait. Finally, we get to do this together. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Apologies again. I've been away from here for about a month now, and I missed you so much. So before I move forward, I think I should just explain myself why I've been away. You see, I have this health condition that I've been battling with since birth. Sometimes he wins, other times I win. So when you see me here posting consistently, you know, posting, being happy, being productive, that's because I'm winning, I'm dealing with it. But other times when I just go AWOL without warning, it's dealing with me, and it has dealt with me. But now, finally, I'm winning again. I'm winning. Okay, you guys, so today we get to unbox Lattafa perfumes. Oh, the studio is currently being rearranged and reshuffled, which is why we have this going on at the back. Okay, it's gonna be fixed soon, but for now we're gonna be shooting like this. So I have Teriaq Intense, Angham by Lattafa, then Yara Candy and Brioche Vanil to unbox with you today. And for some reason, I'm most excited about this one, Teriaq Intense. So let's unbox this one first, and I give you my honest first impressions. So I'm filming this video a day before Christmas. Today is 24th, and I'm filming at what time is it right now? 12:20. Okay, I'm hoping this video drops on Christmas Day. So if you're celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I hope you enjoy your celebrations. I hope you enjoy your holidays, and may the blessings of God be with you and your family. So, Teriaq Intense. Okay, I've forgotten, it has a sleeve. It has a sleeve. You have to take it out of the sleeve. Let gravity do the work for me. I'm so sleek. She looks good. Except the snake. Honestly, I don't even know why I keep doing this to myself. The first Teriaq, I could not tolerate it. The smell and the snake cap. I do not know why I have ended up with another Teriaq. I have no idea. Please tell me why. First impressions. Please be good. Please be good. Don't throw me off. I've waited so long to smell you. Please be good. I don't actually mind. The first Teriaq, on first impression, it was unbearable. I could not. I coughed because of the pepper that was in there. But this one is not unbearable. Oh, it's quite spicy though. It has spice in here too. It has sweetness, and it smells like alcohol. Some sort of boozy thing is really going on in the background here. It smells musky, a bit sweet, a bit boozy, spicy. So far, I do not hate it. I do not outrightly hate it. But it's leaving more to be desired. I mean, they said it got plum liquor. So I was thinking it's going to be, you know, plummy sweet liquor. It's not giving me all of that. It's underwhelming. It's underwhelming. I expected so much better. This is giving nothing. It's giving nothing. Just boozy water with some spices and sweetness and musk. Maybe with time, with maceration, this is actually going to smell better. But for now, I'm disappointed. It's giving nothing. Next, I'm going to try Brioche Vanil by Lattafa. And this one is supposed to smell like bread, right? Because brioche is a type of bread. Now, I really don't know what I was searching for. I don't know what I was expecting buying this, thinking it's going to smell yummy. I don't know. I do not know. I do not know what I was searching for buying bread, because they said bread vanille. Okay, so I went to go and buy it, expecting what? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Packaging it ain't bad. It ain't bad. Okay. It ain't bad. It's almost starting to be worth it because of the packaging. Okay. Lattafa Pride collections actually. Oh, hello, cutie. You know, when you buy perfumes and then you see the bottle and it fits so well in your hand and you feel like you were always meant to have this. Like you see something, you get it and you're like, this was always meant to be for me. Brioche Vanil. Honestly, if you ask me what's going on with this bottle, I'm digging it. I love it. Beautiful bottle. Now for the smell, because that is what we are here for. Atomizer is beautiful. It sprays beautifully. Please smell good. Please, baby, smell good. Oh. Oh my God. The alcohol here is intense. I thought they said Lattafa Pride perfumes were of better quality than normal Lattafa perfumes. Why does it have this sharp sting of alcohol? It does actually smell like bread. It smells like fermented bread. You know, like those buns, those long buns, those fermented, unsweetened bread. The alcohol is actually intense though. I don't know. It's not giving me baked goods. It's giving me dough. You know, like fermented bread dough. The vanilla is there. It's there. I can feel it kicking in the background. But it's like the wings of that vanilla have been clipped. They are not letting it shine. What I'm getting here is something spicy, something fermented. Just like bread dough. You know, like when you make bread and then you leave it to rise. When it's rising, that smell that you get, that's what you're having here. Also a bit disappointed because I expected this to smell a bit yummier. Maybe with time. Honestly, I'm going to give it time. I believe in this one so much. I'm going to give it a bit of time. I think maceration is going to do beautifully on this one. So for now, it's not all that. It's not all that. But it has potential. Potential, I see potential. Okay, the next one is Yara Candy. Now, I know I have said it, that I am not buying another bottle of Yara. I said except the kind of Yara that Wing Lady will like. You know, maybe they said Yara Wing Lady or something. The kind of Yara that I would enjoy. And it's as if they heard me. They brought out Yara Candy. So I had to buy it. It has candy in there, doesn't it? Let's unbox it. Honestly, if you do not smell like candy, I'm going to show you out immediately. I will show you out. You better smell good. If you do not, you're leaving my collection immediately. Just calm down. Just calm down. I should be fair, okay? I should be open-minded, right? Yeah, I should be open-minded. I should give this a fair chance. The bottle. The bottle. She's cute. The bottle is very, very cute. I like the bottle. Very much so. Hi, baby. Do not disappoint me. Do not embarrass me. I don't like the sprayer. The sprayer is not giving, but I will manage it if the smell is good. What is that soapy thing I'm smelling? I think I should let it sit a bit because it just smells like soap to me. Like this very fragrant soap. Oh, okay, there's the candy. Oh, okay. All right, okay. There's the candy. There's the fizziness. There's the sour gummies. Yes. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It is very, very sweet. It is very juicy. This might just be my Yara. Okay, because I got the original Yara. I hated it. I got Yara more. I hated it even more. I got Yara choose. It didn't do anything for me. It was not, I had to declutter everything. But this one though, this Yara, she has potential and she's giving. So it smells sour, fruity. It smells like gummy bear, like sugar syrup. Yeah, there's this very sweet thing that I can get. Yeah, okay. Okay, I get this. Yeah. It smells like that cotton candy plus gummy bears. That sweet, fruity, syrupy thing. I think if you macerate a little bit more, it's going to be like a super concentrated sweet smell. What do you think? I'm not disappointed. Okay, it's even fluffy, smelling marshmallowy, fluffy, sweet, you know, creamy, fluffy, that I like, the kind that I like. Okay, I hate all Yaras, but I like Yara Candy. I might just fall in love with her. No, I do not want to fall in love with this fragrance. On to the next one. I know, I'm being biased right now because I hated all her sisters, but she has potential. Now, the last but not the least, Angham. Okay, not the last. I bought one body mist. So apparently, Nigerians love this vanilla crush body mist. So I bought it just to check it out and see what Nigerians love about it. We're gonna open this one last. But for now, Angham. Angham by Lattafa. This is one of the most hyped Lattafa perfumes ever. Aside from Teriaq and Eclair, I think this is the third most hyped Lattafa perfume this year. Something tells me I'm gonna like it. I feel like this one is a no-brainer. Like, no matter what I do, I'm going to end up liking Angham. Because everybody likes it. Okay. I do hope I do, you know, end up liking it. Like, not just because people like it, but because I personally like it. You know, if I don't like it, I'll be telling you, I do not like this. But this one, I feel like it has a lot of potential. Okay, baby, do not disappoint me, Angham. I love the atomizer on this one. It sprays very precisely. The smell though, I just got a whiff and it smells really good. I won't even lie. I'm a bit underwhelmed. I thought it was gonna be like thick vanilla syrupy sweetness. It's good though. I'm not saying this is bad at all. It's a good fragrance, but maybe we get stronger with time. It's actually very light. It's really light. I doubt that this will last you the entire day. Yeah, it's vanilla, it's creamy, it's some florals, it's a bit fresh, it's sweet, a bit powdery. Yes, I'm digging the smell, but it's so faint. It's so light. I can't get much out of it. Maybe it gets better with time. But I expected a blast of thick, syrupy, fluffy goodness. It's okay. It's okay, I guess. I will come back with a full review and a maceration update, definitely. But for now, it's really light. It smells good. I won't even lie. It smells really good, but it's light. It's light and airy. Where's the thick vanilla? Where's the concentrated blast that I'm looking for? I want something to just blast me in the face and I'll be like, oh my God. You have a lot of potential. I will let you sit and then I will come back. And then finally, I got to try this Vanilla Crush Body Mist that everybody in Nigeria seems to have a bottle of. I don't know, is this supposed to be an inspiration of the Sol de Janeiro? I do not know. I just know I saw this and I was like, gotta try it. Everybody loves it. I want to love it too. Okay. Oh. That's a bit hard to open up. All right, where do I spray this? Okay. Ooh, that is delicious. I see why they like it. Oh, so if you like vanilla and caramel, if you can hear my daughter laughing in the background, say hi. That's my baby girl. Anyway, this smells like caramel and vanilla, like salted caramel, because it smells salty to my nose. Salted caramel and vanilla. Like that candy, that caramel candy with a lot of vanilla. I don't do very well with vanilla scents and salted caramel scents, but this is nice. It is nice. If you're a vanilla kind of person and you like that salted caramel vanilla combination, you would dig this, you would enjoy this. But me, I'm not a vanilla girl. You know I'm not a vanilla girl. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. I see you. I see you. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. Give it a huge thumbs up. Like it, like it, like it. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.